Mama will read it to you. What did Santa say?
There you go.
Oh, can I read it?
Yeah, come here. You ready?
No, I'll get down.
Okay.
I'm reading it.
Let's see. Open it up. You gotta go over there.
You thought you were getting a good shot, huh?
You have to be quick with kids.
Okay. It says... Oh, let's read the front. Oh, look at all those words. It says, to Graydon and Araya. Hi, kids. I was very... Oh, hold on. I can't read it. Move it. I was very glad to see that you have been wonderful children this year. Put on your boots, because I left a special present in the backyard. Love, Santa.
What could it be? It's in the
Snow.
backyard.
He sent you snow.
Where's your boots?
Wow.
Look. Where are they? Oh, they're
Oh,
over
you
there.
carried them out.
Go get your boots.
No, not yet.
Oh, this
He's
isn't
not
going
here.
over
He
well.
said he left something in the backyard. He put something outside for you.
Let's go
What's
look.
that?
I don't know.
Gotta get your boots on.
We gotta
Go
go
look.
out and see. Let's go look. Everyone's coming.
Yeah, can we go
We
out
gotta
with you?
show them the way. Where's outside?
I wonder what it is.
Out in the backyard.
Let's put your boots on.
These are removable.
Yeah.
New
These
boots?
keep me nice and warm.
That's right.
Oh, you need a
I
jacket?
know.
Mhm.
I know.